Well, here I am in the south of Chile. Well, actually, this is not the south. This is like northwest of Santiago. And this is going to be the permanent residence for this PROfezzion phone holder. I did the official unboxing and everything in Miami. I'm going to do a quick one here. Here's the actual mount. Here is the magnets. Here are the ones, and if you wanted to, again, if you want to put it permanently here somewhere, you will use these Velcro pads. I'm gonna use this phone for this installation, so this one doesn't have a magnet. Oh, actually it does. I don't need anything else, so this is pretty easy then. So one step less to do. And again, we put this one here. Put in a better position. There it is. Wow, that was easy. So we don't need any of this. We don't need anything else. Here are some other ways to attach it. Again, if you want to put it permanently, maybe here with these pads, you will put it here, but maybe the preferred location is there. We'll see how my friend here wants to do with it. So there you go, super easy. I also have my wallet, so I could put the phone here and the wallet together. So really good products from this PROfezzion brand. And this is its forever home. Maybe not this car, maybe another car, but this is where it's gonna live.